so much fun filming and editing and uploading and sometimes watching my views go up, sometimes. So my camera stopped recording, or it was never recording, I don't know how it happened. But me taking everything out of my fridge, I don't have that footage. So here is everything out of my fridge and on the counter, and also my dirty kitchen that I did clean after, but I did not record it. So now that I've pulled everything out of my fridge, I'm going to take out my shelves and clean them. This is a deep clean. I don't do this all the time. I don't do this often. Actually, most of the time I just leave the shelves in there and wipe them off and clean them off. But this is a deep clean. So that's why I'm doing that. Always see little baby hands, little baby heads, little baby hands asking to open cheese. You will always see little babies, always. Okay, so yeah. So I can constantly have a soapy towel without continuously adding soap to the actual towel. So I'm making some soapy water in the sink with Dial and Fabuloso. So I don't really like the fridge of me cleaning the inside of my fridge because you can't really see what I'm doing, so I have to figure out an angle for that. But I thought I should take this time to introduce myself because that's what's coming next. So, hi, I am Geneva. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 children, and I have one on the way. In this video, my fridge turned out. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn your bell on so you'll know when I'm posting more. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'll see you next time.